There are lots of stories that involve bears, and this one is one of my favourite ones, and it's Little Bear by Richard Jones. On Monday, I found a polar bear in the garden. There he is. Imagine if you found that in your garden. He was so small, I held him in my hands. I could feel his heart beating beneath his cloud-white fur. His black paws were warm and rough against my skin. "Are you lost, little bear?" I asked. "Can I help you?" And there he is, just there. On Tuesday, he had grown too big to hold in my hands, so I popped him in my pocket. "You're safe now, little bear. Don't be scared." We played together all afternoon. On Wednesday, he had grown too big for my pocket, so I put him in my hat. "I think it's time to take you home, little bear." Raise the anchor, set the sail, away we go. And there he is, just there in the hat. On Thursday, he had grown too big for my hat, so he curled up tightly, safe and warm, in my bag. "Good night, little bear. Sleep tight." I held the bag close as we sailed through the night. On Friday, he had grown too big for my bag, so he climbed up onto my shoulders. His soft whiskers tickled my neck. "Hold on tight, little bear." There he is. The wind pushed and pulled at our red sails, and green waves lifted us up, up, up into the frozen air. Then back down, down, down we went. Birds made circles in the sky, and all the while the kind sun kept us warm. On Saturday, he had grown too big for my shoulders, so he jumped down into the boat beside me. "Don't fall in, little bear. We'll be there soon." On Sunday, he had grown too big for the boat, so I climbed onto his back. "Land ahoy, little bear." Oh, and look what's happened on this page. There's lots of them together. We played together all day. But the sky soon grew dark and the silver stars began to shine once more. I wanted to stay with him forever, but it was time to sail home. There he is. Goodbye, little bear. Goodbye. See you again soon. And then we've got our big bear and our little bear watching as the boat sails away. How quickly did little bear grow though? Between Monday and Sunday. Wow, he grew so big. I wonder which characters in your books could grow each day and what adventures you might go on together.